Most of your day is on site, not at a desk. So here's the real paperless app on the App Store and Google Play. Log in with the same details you use on the web, and you're looking at the very same business. And it does something a clipboard never could. See that mic button? That's paperless AI on every screen. Tap it and just talk. No forms, no typing with muddy hands. Say what you need. Here, upload the photos from Mitty's house. It writes it back on screen and it already knows which job you mean. Now the clever part, every photo your phone takes is stamped with where you took it. Paperless takes the site address for that job and finds every photo you shot near that site in the last couple of weeks. No scrolling your camera roll, no wrong job. 6 photos matched by location, ready to file straight to Mitty's house. That's paperless AI running on where you actually are. Next, insurances and warranties.